Hi folks, welcome back to another video. I have a brand new smartwatch in the house, quite literally because of the MCO, and this is the brand new Xiaomi Mi Watch that is due to launch in a couple of days. So at the time of recording, I don't know the official pricing and variants available yet, but we'll let you know down in the description box below. So I have a unit here with me. This is the navy blue version and it's brand new and sealed. So without further ado, let's unbox and have a quick hands-on of this Xiaomi Mi Watch. So I've gone ahead and removed the plastic wrapping and I absolutely love the design of the watch itself. It doesn't look quite like your typical Apple box where it's just all white, minimalistic and very sleek. I like this because it definitely pops. This is all blue, I'm assuming because the watch comes in the navy blue variant. So if you get a different watch color, the box will probably be a different color as well. So without further ado, let's just remove this. Okay, so the manuals and I'm assuming this is the warranty. The warranty notice, it comes straight out of the box here, very nice. So this is the watch itself. As you can see, it is navy blue and it's a pretty large one, suitable for people with big wrists. And we'll get to the watch in a bit. I'm gonna set it up and pair it with the companion app and I'm gonna get into the hands-on. But before I do that, let's see what else is in the box. If I remove this layer here, you will probably get, well, the rest of your manuals and your cables. Let's see. Oh, there you go. So these are your manuals. It's a bit awkward to take out. Again, excuse my big fat hands. The manuals. Yep, the manuals here. And you also get your charging cables. So here, I'm gonna just quickly show you the charging cables. So it uses a magnetic charger. It's proprietary. And it connects via USB 2.0. Very nice. Well, here we go. This is the Xiaomi Mi Watch in all its glory, turned on and connected to the Xiaomi Mi Wear app. And let's quickly take a look at the display and design. This comes with a 1.39-inch AMOLED display that looks fantastic with very minimal bezels on the side here. You also get two buttons here on the side, and at the back is of course your sensor. I'm not sure what the case is made of. It does feel lightweight, and it's probably plastic, but honestly it feels quite sturdy as well. You can see that it's not very hefty. It's not the largest smartwatch you can get right now. According to the specs, it measures at about 11.8 millimeters in thickness. So this is at its thickest point. So it's fine, and weighs about 32 grams without the straps. So with the straps, I would wager it weighs about 40-ish, give or take. But it feels great. The watch strap itself is made of TPU and is about 252 millimeters in length. So this will definitely fit a large wrist such as myself quite nicely as well. I'm not sure if there will be a smaller variant for smaller wrists just yet, but we'll let you know when the watch is officially launched. So let's quickly get into the software just a bit. So this is the watch face that you get on default. Press and hold to change your watch face, and according to Xiaomi, you get over 100 watch faces, which you can download through the Xiaomi Wear app. And then you tap on the top button to bring you your list of apps and features on the watch. Hit the top button again to go home. So hit the button at the bottom here to bring out your workout mode, and you should find about 117 workout modes according to Xiaomi, and you get your usual trappings such as outdoor running, treadmill, indoor workouts and more. Well, you got yoga as well. You should be able to find more on your Xiaomi Wear app too. As usual, you swipe right to go across your tiles. This is your heart rate sensor, your sleep monitoring, weather, as well as your SpO2 measurement here. You also get music and your daily calories or step counter here. Very simple, very smooth. I'm not sure what chipset it's using at the moment, but once we get more information after the launch, we will let you know. Alright, so you swipe down to bring your notifications as usual, but I don't get any because set life. And then you swipe up to bring your quick access settings, including do not disturb, flashlight and brightness. Very nice. In terms of protection, the screen here comes with a 2.5D tempered glass coating on top, and this watch is 5 ATM water resistant rated, so you can take this for a dive of up to 50 meters underwater as well. So that's very nice. The strap, being TPU, is waterproof, so you can sweat all you want and it's fine. When it comes to the battery life, Xiaomi says this comes with a 420 mAh battery that can apparently last you up to 16 days with conservative usage. But on regular usage, I think you should still be able to last up to a week, which is very nice. But we will let you know what the real battery usage is in our full review coming very soon. You can also charge this using the magnetic charger that I showed you before, and it'll take about an hour or so to fully charge it up as usual. Well, there you go, that is the Xiaomi Mi Watch, and we will let you know the official pricing down in the description box below once the watch is officially launched. If you like this video, remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and this is Victor signing off. Bye-bye.